Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, friends. I'm doing a little bit of a project today. My husband and I are leaving for Wyoming next week in about 10 days. And I have to pack all our gear in our bags. And I have all the stuff: coat, snow pants, gloves, neck muff, helmet, and boots. And I think I might have underestimated the size of bag I was going to need for this project. So this might be interesting. Well, look at that. I got room to spare. What else can I put in this bag? I have a brand new helmet, so kind of didn't want to screw that up. Also, for anybody out there who is a snowmobiler, we would appreciate knowing where else we might go, because Laramie, Wyoming is where we're going to go snowmobile, the Snowy River Range, or the Snowy Range, I think it's called. But what else is there to do in Wyoming in the winter? I know it's more of a summer state unless you're a snowmobiler, but we're only snowmobiling one day. So if you guys want to comment down below, that'd be great. We got about 5 days here, about leaving, I think, February 9th-ish. So if you got any ideas of things to do anywhere in the state of Wyoming, we'd like to know.